Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to enable or disable efficiency mode on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. Ang kailangan lang ay i-follow ang step natin. So guys, basically ang efficiency mode help to optimize your computer to reduce CPU uses. So yan po yung gamit mga kaibigan. Or so without further ado, and start na natin. So, ang next step ay dito lang sa Start menu. So, right-click lang tayo. And then, select mo na yung Task Manager. Dito sa Task Manager ay dito lang sa Process. And then, dito sa ating apps ay kailangan mo lang mag-select ng applications that is using high memory and CPU. Alright? So, halimbawa itong OBS natin. So, dito, right-click ka lang. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click itong Efficiency Mode. So, click mo lang yan. And then, pop-up dito. So, do you want to turn on Efficiency Mode for OBS, and then click mo lang yung okay. Alright? So makikita mo dito yung kanyang icon dito siya. So ibig sabihin, nasa efficiency mode na siya. So kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, so right click ka lang, and then click mo lang yan. Ayan. So ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-enable or disable ng efficiency mode. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.